an offense, more especially even though you are from there or you're not from there. You understand? Most times, it depends the time you are using it and who you are using it with. If I'm your friend, we have a good relationship, other relationship. You can call me anything, I will just it. But if I just see somebody going on his own, boy, a term of name to, they might pick it, they might want to see it from any other angle, and it's something that is not encouraging. It's not something we have to be encouraging within us because it brings about so much discrimination and sort of degrading of people's where they come from or intelligence and all that. So I don't really see that as something that we should continue because we keep passing it from one generation to other generation, and it's not really nice. So that's
whether I will not see it as stereotype. If you see it as stereotype, deal with it. Deal with it. Always ebe na Imo State. Ndị were na afụ ndị alụ asị ndị na-ama ha ihe. Abi obodo niile emepela ofe ọka igwe na ọlụ ma ndị na-achọ ọka igwe ama ọ bụrụ ndị were atụtụ ha tagbuo. A na-afụ ndị Imo, ndị ọzọ na-afụ ndị masị ndị na-agbashawo anyị bara akwa gbasara ya. Awi ashawo. Anyị ashawo now. It doesn't my the Nugu has always told me and the Buna Bashaw, and the Buddha Nahanadi. Have me cried? I've not cried. So in the back here, also type everywhere. Once I told you here, that now this person not going to back does not mean you are a job matter. Define who you are. Oh, Ella here, and when my brother I think it's able to or they are going. I'm a minata. Oh, you put or they are going. Where is it? I'm wondering on my platform. I need Naka Bundi Abakeleke. I mean, get boy. One of them, our brother, celebrity carpenter. This Xavier no mind at you go na your house had the I told this boy you go carry Johnson. Xavier home on to go out. Afro me on to go ya one day. But every other person, Mandana Mandimo, was active on that donation. Mandana Mandimo was active on that donation. Simple. Does it mean that they don't remember that Onya Bakleke? Season can I be here? You know, 4 million. Yeah, where's Wafia? Onya Bakleke, Onya enough that Onya who will do it? Where's that magic? Till today, Onya had the money. Open here. I'm going to Abakaleke again. Abakaleke up with them. Get your say. Now my village, even the next village, and after the village, and did they cry over it? They don't cry over it. Now my village, come. Oh, the village African brother, it's always there everywhere. No, but no. My madam does say, now I has the brother. Now I won't do that. Those people cry? No. Please, where's it? Feeling also that every person, every time word, everywhere, and they got the superior than any other person. If we were a church. What makes you a human being? Feeling this type. How do you help that person? How do you come to that person's rescue? That's what I look. And I'm a day on TikTok and get me eye service. Oh, look. Simple, will not do it. I can't that. Oh, now I'm being a pit with your main friend. Not even on I love him. I'm not going to my brother. Oh, look.
Okay, madam.
I don't want any money was and I don't want to clean back on that worker. Money I know about. Man, I got already. In as much as now, if you do not, or Martin. But ndị na-agwa detin a na-agwa gị na ọ dị ha mma because gụnwa na-akpọ mmadụ onye Abakaleke onwe ihe mere ji kpọọ ya all because of the behavior. O nwere ike si na onye na-akpacha agwa ndị Abakaleke gụnwa na-asị onye na-akpacha agwa onye Abakaleke o nwere ihe nọ gị n'obi iji wee ịhụrụ agwa ahụ na agwa ahụ dị so different from every other agwa and bịakwa bịa put ya aside mana na o nwere particular people bụ ndị Abakaleke ahụ but ọ bụ onye ọbụla chi egbe pụta ịkpọ ya onye Abakaleke ọ na-ebute so many people especially ndị ahụ na-akpa ya then it's one okay pushing for these people or more because they don't like it. Are you getting me? So sometimes problem I face why you can face here. I'm not sure I got it. I ain't which say no them will not stop. I need a windy no matter what ship you want you it's high time I could say what I want in the buy you. All this thing of Onyaba, it doesn't make sense to me. I put on Onyaba but more myself, we have that I remember the man who said Mati Onyaba and be been to Onyaba. Right? Other than it's high time I don't want in the but I will want no matter what publish your weapon. No say always stereotype. To me, always stereotype, yes. Because maybe to the who was only particular people not going to behave fine. Or they can have them in the dress of my cara or the way cultural value carry some lot of people. All stereotype go. So no matter how we are trying to paint it, in her job. And the Madonia here about the temple saying no, stop doing this thing. Now we are not finding it funny anymore. Does it take anything for you to retrace from all those things, from that art? Why you continue on meditating? I'm saying that Junior he can make it, and they are still pushing that same narrative that he they could not talk about already. Yes, other even when I say now, when I say only be say whatever, make. I know blah man, that nonsense, right? But then be say always some people they will be triggered to fight you. Yes. Oh, one day I go just such a watch. So yeah, with individual difference. So now popular public and I say, oh, she didn't this thing. All they would say her. All they would have. So okay, take anything to stop it. No. So be continuous in there, we not just go. So other can money share go kunkim. Or not in my neck home to say you about no matter what they go normal on maybe behind home. But if you see you won't ever be not back when you believe that back go tackle the shares to Harry. Like oh, woman on the hand of Baya. Baya no one ever say, and no how I can yoshi. It was able to that you won't have that I wouldn't do. ihe ahụ na-afụ like you want put onwe gị in the shoe of that person na isi that place ndị a na-agwa odoro ahụ elọtọ ga-esi na ị ga-na-efeel you as a human being but onye Igbo pụtara na-ekwu that kind of thing na ndị Igbo dị na ndị kwesịrị banish ndị amara ebe ndị achi ebi ụmụ okwu na-agbawa obi so ihe ọjọọ adịrọ mma biko ọ dịla dịtị na adịla too much ọ dịzi so alarming and ọ nwere kwuru ebe a na ụta na like play ọ na ha agala from generation to generation ụta kịka ahụ until o nwebezi mgbe ọ ga-eru mgbe ndị ọ tawaziri na ndị enwe ndị na-akpọ ndị Ebonyi steeti na ha na fight kwa ndị Anambra steeti ha na fight ndị Abịa ha na fight ndị Igbo akụhụ na ọhala state war or something like state war mgbe o ruziri in that extent ka a ga-ama na ọ fụwara ndị ahụ fụ n'ahụ so o kwesịrị ka anyị na-preach against this stereotype because ọ ihe ọwụ ka anyị na-preach against it now ugbu a na onye ọbụla gbakọta ga na-epreach it's not good biko na ọ dịrọ mma ọ ga-atakwa na ndị Igbo gbakọta onwe ha ọkwa ụtọ gacha ada ọ na-ahịọ
uche nwa onye nwana nke ya so ka obi anyị si dị ka opinion si dị and everybody entitled to his own opinion so to me history will always repeat. I believe in this life. History will always repeat. And I believe in this thing to be done. And I think the good thing you have to do to yourself, or maybe listen from that part. Like I have a friend, when I'm back the guy is very, very close. The guy proved to me that when me to call anybody back, the guy is a very nice guy to me. You understand me? And the guy his behavior is more love on the state entirely. So, but sometimes you want to go one man. See, we have a clicker. So I do no many of them people. You know, but I think it's high time we stop it. And for me, my advice, like now, for them be said, and that on this, I'm when we and in the sense. But the more the positive side, money sense we go. Money sense we go. So one my control sense. And I is stingy. Then they will stingy have sense. And I say I'm not happy about it because all the positive. Okay, what I go very stingy. I'm for you. I'm sense for you. Just like now, this is dog, and I go up. Just like our sister said, and then do it, you know, these things, all history, you know, but those people are about the effort. Yeah, then I wouldn't be now. Then let them. Then they also try to even change their attitude. You know, even they about the effort. Mama, so about the very wrong, all discrimination. It's very type, all very wrong. But in that about the public, you know, what kind of card on the main bit. That is the most important thing, you know. And so for me, I would advise I stop all that type of very wrong. Because after all the negative can get about that.
Onye ọbụla bụ onye Ebonyi steeti ọ ka mkpọzi onye ọbụla bụ onye Ebonyi steeti ọ Abakaliki chọrọ igro platform ya ihe ọ ga-eji bido bụ Anambra hate Ebonyi ihe ka ha ji ebido igro their platform which is very 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 bad. Do you understand? Ọ dị very very bad. Ọ bụrụ mmadụ na-abụ mee gị generalize everybody na village m half of village m bụ ndị Ebonyi steeti bụ die ndị Abakaliki bụ die anyị na ha bi for long time. You understand? Ha bịara ịkọ ugbo, some bịara ịzụ ahịa, some bịara so many things anyị na ha biri. You understand? Ha mee ihe ọjọọ, anyị etiriti efọkọpụ ha. Ha nwa onye be anyị mee ihe ọjọọ, anyị etiriti efọkọpụ ya. Onye ọjọọ bụ onye ọjọọ, nwere ebe onye ọjọọ adịrọ. Mana ọ nke wee pụta Anambra. Nwanne mmadụ sị gị na iwu nwa Aba. Anyị na-akpọ ndị Aba, asị gị nwa Aba, ndị Aba na-akpụ sensị nwa Aba. Aba nke Abia steeti nwa Aba. Awa akpọ ọgụ nwa Abakaliki, iwe. Ka ihe ị na-ewere iwe, ọ na-eburu nwa Abakaliki na village m dị next village sef nwere aha ha na-akpọ anyị. Onye be ya na-agara onwe ya adọm si iti nwanne ihe ha akwụsịghị gị ije gba mbọ ihe nyere gị ihe agwụcha ọ bụrụ na ị na-edo pọ mmadụ sị gị na-edo pọ ije zọwa onwe gị je chụwa ego pruvu onye ahụ na aha ị kpọrọ mana ọ bụrụ ya and nwa ha afa m fụrụ na a na-agba akpọ ọgwụ nwa Aba ahụ a na-agbakasị gị na-aba mba ihe ọ bụla akpọrọ mmadụ nwere ihe mere eji were kpọọ ya ọ ya ka m na-achọ ịkọwara gị ọ bụrụ na aha ọjọọ o nwere mmeni n'ala Igbo onye ọbụla na-akpọkọrịta onwe ha afa and ọ bụrụ ọsọsọ n'ala Igbo ka ọ dị so many tribe ị gaa na Yoruba like my friend si na side nke ha na a na-afụta ndị side ndị Ọyọ nwere ihe ọ kpọrọ ha ebe a na na-apụ na o nwere aha na-akpọ onwe ha dị mana ịma mfụ ya na social media na ọ nke be anyị na-adị adawa ụda onye pụta ha ewere emotion efurukwe distin na-abata na politics efuru na ihe a na-abata na politics nwanne ụmụ akụkọ ihe ndị be anyị na-agbapụta na-adọwa na social media amarọzi m ndị be anyị jọzọs werezie nnọọ banta werezie nnọọ saga ndị Edo Ndubini werezie ya narazie detin bụrụzie n'ọrụ ha ka ha na-arụ na social media werezie nnọọ saga ihe eji mara Ndubini ka ndị Igbo werezie na TikTok na-arụ na TikTok every time ụfọdụ kọrọ nka onwe platform ihe awepụta ihe ndị be anyị na-akọ ebe aha n'isi isi fọketie na ụmụazị nọ na social media na-ege ihe ha na-ekwu a lot of things ka ihe ya wepụta nnọọ ọ bụrụ nnọọ ihe a biko onye kpọrọ ya ọsọgụ na like ya biko kwụsị ọ bụrụ mmadụ niile ka like ya onye kpọrọ ọsọgụ nwanne mụnwa like ha ha kwụsị ya onye kpọkwa nara ya achị aka ọchị move on igwu na na-agara onwe unu ọ ihe nwa chọrọ igwu na mụnwa chọrọ onwere mgbe asị gị na iwe onye ochi onye bisi ka akpọrọ gị so ka ghara na-abụzi sometimes some bloggers so many bloggers ndị Ebonyi steeti ndị Abakaliki na-abụ when they want to start they want to grow their platform Anambra ka ha ji akpọ n'ọnụ ha ya ebido dat banta were grow their platform ha grozie their platform ihe aha na-emotion ha na-asị na emere ndụba ha ma use that na promote o nwetawe ego ihe afụzi ka ọ na-eme anything inwe problem na abụrụ sọsọ ndị Ebonyi steeti ya abịakwutere gị gị nwa onye Ebonyi ya abịa igu nwa Anambra nwe steeti onye Imo abụrụ sọsọ onye Imo na ihe ya abịakwutere gị is a general contribution so biko ụmụ ihe anyị na-adị awapụta na ewere ese etinye a na-akọ ya ọbụla akụkọ David Umahi na-alụ ọrụ fine David Umahi na-alụ ọrụ does not mean na ọ nọ na APC anyị chọghị anyị ama criticize APC okwu okwu anyị ama nsị na nke okwuru ya okwute a na-akọ dị akọ ha akọ ọ na-arụ ọrụ mgbe ndị be anyị nọkwa during the Goodluck Jonathan onwe ihe ha mere die even David Umahi aka mma na-emegodo some things so many of them during the time of Goodluck ndị be anyị juru nọrọ top position onwe ihe ha mere onye zuworu zucha ọ bụ na ọgachi azọ return again ọsọ na-emegbuo ndị Igbo o butezie ya ka anyị sọpọtụ ya ọsọ na-emegbuo ndị Igbo ihe ndị be anyị emotion ndị be anyị ji ezọrọ onwe ha even David Umahi aka a lot of them nwa biko nu so we should stop that all my take ka biko daalụ.
Okay, thank you for sharing your opinion with us. Anyway, halfway, give up your state issue, but an Imo State. So we are all the same. Any the Imo State in our okay, we don't care. Majority of Imo State is Imo State in that one. I was to name back now. At least I say no more on that one. I say no more on that one. I was going to put the majority of the Igbo in Robo or Trash or Tugashi, and then it's in Robo in the Igbo. So when you not so no change it with character and opening how to never click and why not focus on the positive instead of only the negative. I wonder what's name my son now now Sakari go much now. I don't mean here did the above my click again just be proud of Ebishi more than job. Ndiba or Wayane Mekage. Even in Nigeria can they committee character on Niba. But you omega happens in you at the end of the day, you know, whom anything did the other could talk about. Onye pụta ya sị onye hapụ nwa aba ahụ ugbu a na ikwu ọzọ onye nwa aba sị na ọnwa aba but anyị niile na-ebe mana akpọ gị nwa aba iwe onye ochi ka na-erefe gị you understand so ahụ dị ihe dị anyị ga-apụta n'ebe akwa stereotype of gịnị onye abalị kepụtagoro nkọwara m stereotype of gịnị anyways
Abakaliki asị mụ na ebe a bụ ezigbo onye isi ala mba nọ dị n'Imo steeti mana mma agwa gị na ebe na Igbo niile Abakaliki person is one of the most nicest and humble person n'ala Igbo so onye pụta sị na enwere ihe ndị Abakaliki na-eme eji akpọrọ onye Abakaliki ọ pụtara enwere ihe ọma ọ pụtara enwere ihe ọma ha na-eme kwesịrị iji eji na afụtafa asị mmadụ na anyị na-ekwu okwu ike pụta na m sị general you a bad guy when the contest engage you that bad guy I'm really trying to say you are doing well when contest engage you you definitely know that I'm saying it out of hatred ma meyota so I pụtara Igbo ya Abakaliki ya Abakaliki gị nwa na-akpọ mmadụ ya Abakaliki amara n'ezi obi gị you are saying it because you nwere negative thought about that person. So can happen in this pretending and sugarcoating of a thing. Abakaliki people with their lifestyle, with their nature. So you got to this you change their character and change. You cannot change people. This is the way they were made. So this is their lifestyle. You get Abakaliki because and why? And when you go was if I Abakaliki maybe a platform within the number, and when you want to be other places, why would you bring the number can happen on? Each state in their fault. I found the money state put out one day with the second number. I found the money who Abakaliki. But I've been in Anambra for like 6 years. Only Anambra man got a second on your wire and Abakaliki hang a second Abakaliki was a second game of state here. I shall work out. You know, those things will always be. I got future is be human name, make energy good about them. I am happy. Choose okay with the bad one. I'm telling you, Anambra State, and as an Abakaliki person, give me your tone. I don't know. I don't give you this in 80% chances he lose that place. And you know, John Giki him. And when you hear me, because Nibo Abakaliki, I never go. I joke him as an Abakaliki, you Abakaliki make. You know? So that's my side. I G every your job, a good human or drama.
okay.
The truth remains that stereotypes, right, has always been there. There's no part of the world, I mean the world, that hasn't got a stereotype. And sometimes stereotypes are not just reality. They are like propaganda started by someone and pushed by a lot of people. Now, is stereotyping people or a tribe or a nation gonna stop? Never. It will never stop as long as this world is existing. Nobody can stop a stereotype. I'm from Bise, by the way, and we've got our own stereotype. I don't let stereotype define me. Nobody can define me by that stereotype. Your individuality, your peculiarity is what makes the difference. I don't give a F about what people say. If you like, if I'm with you, okay, let me see how you will live about and kill me a human being. Before you tell my to kill me, so when people come online to be emotional and to cry about stereotype, my brother, you're just wasting your time. How would you allow a stereotype pushed by an idiot to define you? It doesn't make sense. Nobody will ever stop a stereotype. It has been in existence and you can't change the narrative, right? Whether stereotypes are true or not, it doesn't matter. What matters is your individuality. It's your individuality that matters. Never allow a stereotype to define you. People can say what they want to say. The same people we are talking about, one of my best friends is from Ebonyi State, and I take pride in him being my friend. So I look at people from the individual perspective. And where ihe onye Ebonyi ihe ahụ na-akpọ onye Ebonyi steeti feel na ọhịa akpọ ha onye Abakaliki ma ọ gịnị. Ndị Anambra na-eme ya, ndị Imo steeti na-eme ya, ndị Enugu steeti na-eme ya. Ọ dị ka abịa na-asị ụmụ anyị Imo steeti ha washaw. Enwere obodo nọ n'ụwa na-enweghị onye ashaw. So stereotyping will not stop. But what matters is, are you allowing it to define you? I can't make it because of somebody who maka and then be so when be some put online, ma about your that's stupidity. I'm not bragging waffle. Happy about. And when we banter online is banter, but you know, some people they take it here very extreme. You know, they start trying to engage into state, tribal, or individual war because of common banter online. That's stupidity of the highest order as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, stereotype is not going to stop. But should you allow it to define you? No. So deal with people on individual basis. Thank you and God bless you all.
State. Ebonyi State. Ịma ndị Anambra nwere ike sometimes o nwere ka esi eme sometimes. Ha bịa kịta na-ekwu everybody abụrụ onye Abakaliki. Nwa bụ onye ikwo and adị agba boy. Onye Ebonyi State na-ebe ọ ga-agba witness. Je jụọ ndị onye bịa kịta ọsị na ndị Abakaliki na village ji community je jụọ ebe o si. Jụọ ebe o si. Nwa bụ onye ikwo local government. And we are the one that created Ebonyi State. Martin Elechi is my father's boy. What? Ebigo Anambra State. Many years, more than 15 years before I travel outside the country. So we can Anambra say behave, and then Anambra become my village. Where? Half of Ebonyi State. Udu Bia with Anambra State. JJS. Swearing those. It's a king. 5 king from Anambra State be Ebonyi State life. They made their business. 5 king, original king, be Ebonyi State. I did Mebu. Swearing though. It's my father's friend. What? So Anambra they made all hand that tribalism. Oh Anambra come one day. What Abakaliki? What Akoya Evans? We. So na mama rafia say or young mama or ngi mama from what? We. O ma some go because some go mo itiwa yan ko da. Mpa Evans we. O say na mama rafia say ngi wa mama from. So ipo mo nya Abakaliki in the on sort kan and onya na sort of okoda. So nya go gafa. And Abakaliki ma before Brosco Abakaliki now. Okoda. So okay, some yes, and we poverty everywhere. Become Anambra State very well. They are everywhere. From their own poverty. But I got to go everywhere and the whole Nigeria, even Yanibo, even in we self, when they do very poor. Very poor. When I'm 93, I've been for 5 years now. 93, I bought shop in Upas, and that shop is still existing now. I can say I want about boy, JJS, only equal local government. We don't go for boy. So I'm almost in that Abakaliki in the said on there's no village for now. I don't know. So if I'm Abakaliki insult in the mega more self. Yeah, insulting me and the moment I poke advance or poke ritualists as Anambra State, in Anambra. So let's stop here. And then Anambra all over picture everyone no catch me travel all over Nigeria. Everywhere in the world, even if I was under Anambra Nigeria, but you want to make that tribalism. On about the for my neko, that's not Biafra. We support him. Why are they maybe Biafra? We support him. Because I want to go to do so. Christians are everywhere, not every time. But then that was the why as when they make it with us. Do you remember even go to Abuja when at Nigeria last year? Ejima Abuja for only Anambra Miton or not Koyozo and Marina, who even self, who couldn't make a simple. Don't you when I'm not going to say blood way but Buffum to Manu or some blah say you fuck off. But then you can say my own brother's only book. So you can't stop at this thing or good. What do you on the state in the main Anambra State me? The blood they even give us. When do they make change in the almost in the state self? One Anambra State Piago is too much. On the state, I'm gonna make it A to Z. So can you happen in main or this going about the spirit senior or no or Canadian? What do you make it be married? So Kaku say, I don't hate anybody, but if you hate me, I'll hate even if you're my brother, my blood brother. If you respect me, I respect you. That is me. So, what all going on?
Where is it?
Ibe ba gona inda nambra mende state. Ibu zo kondam konde state na ewe ka village ne state onye state. O ba tete nambra ma kibu nyanye ma ya drive go kwali. Bi kon gam. Ini na dukunye. Ebe na my best friend mo na bunda nambra. All friend nambra you as a friend. Depend mu as a friend. Amebe nya trap. Ni na be bo funde mu. Eju mu ajonge. Friend mo onye blood mo na match kan be famebe nya trap. Ibo onye bo say ibo onye mo say I don't do that. Ebi make ebe na my best friend mo na bunda nambra. All aga mo na. If you end up saying, I'm going to say, I'm going to so I'm going to talk here. No, I'm going to hear. Well, I got them on. ka ya menya me abụ Igbo si ọ ma ya bịasị ebe nye tra daba onye Igbo ka mbụ ịbịa nwanne anyị klasị nwanne m onye Igbo m na eme n'ọgara ma aya kọntinu ọ onye ọbụla nwere afọ ụzọ ya ekele enweghị ike ịbasị onye Anambra memeke onye Imo State memeke onye Enugu memeke no it's not good the end game abai war no one ọgada agba ọgụ but this back time onye Anambra dị onye Igbo State memeke onye Igbo State na ndị Anambra na-ezu ohi na ndị isi na ndị Anambra bụ ndị ọgwụ ego ndị Imo State ndị otukoto ndị Anambra mi nwekwara ya biko nọ ka anyị mezi na nwa anyị mezi agbata dị ka mezi asọpụrụ ndị tabụ Imo State onye ọbụla ga-eme ọgụ gara ịmara ka ndị use stripe mmetapụ ndị dị good n'ime ya onye nwere ekwu biko
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
onye si na nwa aba na-akpara ya nwa abụọ na-ewe iwe onye si na-akpara ya nwa abụọ na-ewe iwe biko onwere ndị bad spelling dị na nwa aba ihe dịkwa n'ihe a bụ ihe iche n'obi like na oke na abịa n'ime ahịa ebe anyị nọ ụmụ agwa abịa gbagba na-akpa agba ka nwa aba gwara m igbo onye na-ewu oyibo onye ọrụ gị too ịmụ agwa abịa ịkpa agwa gị na-eme ka nwa aba onye ọrụ kwuru onye na-ewu nọrọ kịta anana pesị pụta na etiti ọsọ gị na onye na-ewepụ ha uche gị dịkwa ya onye mezi ihe gị na onye a na-akpa ga-akpasị ya mba abịa na ide mmiri akịta ha a na-afụta onye Ọnịcha Ogidi asị ndị na-anụta ọgụ o mere ha na ha bọzi ide mmiri ihe anụ nwaanyị can never stop na my own village na my village na anaghị alike ịnụ nwaanyị na-adazi reason is this because of na ndị adazi wuoro anaghị mgbe nwa which na amaghị oge ama m oge a mụrụ ha oge mere ihe but na nkịta esi na ede anụ nwaanyị na-adazi asị gị na-adazi side onwe one woman dị popular na Odrodo Enugu mmụọ na onwe onye Enugu ọbụla nwere ike mana nke mmụọ isi Odrodo ọka wee na-aga dị ga na-apikiri ego rụtụ ụnụ onye ọbụla kpara bịa nwe Enugu na-agbazi aga n'ime mana oge ọ nọ họzụlị na-apiki nwe Enugu nwe Enugu so ama m ya na-adara gị ya ọ ga-ịchọ ichenji ka akpọrọ nwa abalị ibute ike afa ga-echenji ya ịzaba afa nna ya ife nọ na-agụra n'egwu Igbo maka nwe ego ọzaba afa nna ya inwe sọ nne onye ejighị ego ga-aba akpọ nwa abụọ na-ewe iwe
Emeka ka njikọ gị iwe n'iwe.
so ihe akịta anyị na-adawa nwa ihe dị na ya ọ bụ na ị mụrụ ukwu onye ndị ọgbụ saịdị agụrụ ha na-akpa anyị ndị agba enu n'ọkpọrọ onye ọgbụ kpọrọ m onye agba enu o mezi na mụ na onye ọgbụ ya emekọ ihe in fact na ya dị onye ọgbụ ka m bi onye ọgbụ bụla nọdụ m so amamụ ihe dị na adị si n'ụlọ adọ ọ bụ na ị na-eme ihe aha like o nwere ka ndị ba chekwa asịghị ga-eme n'ihe ka ihe akpọ daiz ihe agọrọ gị yi ike because oge akọ eburu gị echefu something when you behave what ihe a na-akpọ gị ọ nọkịta abịa na village onwe onye na-akpọ n'ọmaghị ihe even na your own class oge na go school onwe onye ịma na ọmaghị nice na ọmaghị ịfatụ ide afịa bụ mistake na obido from primary 1 dere afịa were primary 6 n'onye bụ mgbe afịa isi a dị is na wọz ọmaghị ede mana tata o ji ego is na wọz ahụ ndị ya ejizi ego nye ya akwụkwọ ụgwọ ide gị so ama m ihe na-adọ n'ihe anụ ọ bụ dakọ ha n'ọnụ
Onwezi ka njọ ajụ onwe ya ntụ okwu.
Someone will ask you, only one question I get now. Only one question.
Okay. Ebuka. Emeka ka Ebuka. Isi na onwe nọ n'okwu nọ na nna akpọbụ nwa aba obutazi ike na chenji ya. So nna akpọbụ
nwa Enugu
Okay. So obutazi ike na chenji zie.
anyị na-eme gaba afịa
Oh yeah, why njicha so nna akpọbụ ya ọnụ before?
ihe
Before
oge
ọkpọrọ my father ọnụ na ojighị ego ọ gburu onwe ya nna alekwe m problem ya gbuo n'onwe ya na
my brother ka m gwa gị ihe na oge nọ village anyị na-asụ akwụ ọkwụ m ya na-agbakwa igwe na mmadụ na-asụ akwụ igwe eji emerụ biznes na primary school ela ihe a na-akpọ m oyi bikos akwa akwụkwọ m niile mmanụ ya dị ya bikos m na-eyi akwa akwụkwọ wee ga na-akwụ igwe ga sụcha akwụ bifọ ngaba skuul bọtụ kịta ide nọkọ m ya oyi so ihe akịta onwe ihe dị na amịta m ọnụ ọkwa ihe na mmadụ na-amị ọnụ one side na turn one side ya na pom oge mpere pọta njapụ you dare not call me that now
Ọta njapụ.
Ebuka ya na-akpọ ọta njapụ
so ya kita onwe ihe ọga ihe ọsọ gị gbọ gbasa
Okay, now
so ya kita onwe nwere anything nothing ya ọ ihe bụ ka
ebi m na Philippines onye Ebonyi State. You understand? They're facing from Weza and they are proud as onye Abakaliki. You understand? Sometimes I'm for some of my brothers now have in the Ebonyi State. I don't know the reason why Abakaliki or an insult. Abakaliki is the capital of Ebonyi State. You understand? And we're developed to okay. After me as an insult. You understand? enwere things ị kwesịrị ị na-afụ as an insult ọ bụrụ mmadụ kpọgo ya Abakaliki webe gị ebe na dị fucking proud as onye Abakaliki. You understand? Because ana m eme ọfụma n'isi onwe. No, the only thing no ndị Igbo be anyị na-eme, I will say most ndị Anambra, ọ bụrụ fa niile o, some of them, because enwere some my ife, I have a lot of them as my friends. And when people have one day, they are criticize them or this kind. We are all like brothers in the Igbo. But not some of them, not some not educated, not people exposed. They are thinking not like that. Yeah, but I give one madi begesia, no illegal anilo, no de Buhari ayam Buhari, no Bonya Abakaliki. Ma jogi, did he joy me? Did he joy me? On that bullshit. On that mabaka. Man Nebura ayam Buhari. There's a lot of Ebonyi State people. See from ayam Buhari, do a billionaire today. Do a millionaire today. Staff from Square One, last never is not go one, I go to. Then look at this here, only Ebonyi State Buhari ayam Buhari, or Brudi your job. We make you onye Ebonyi State work at ịkọpọ ya ọnụ onye ọbụla ya emedu yahoo n'ụwa onye ọbụla ya eleta ọgwụ n'ụwa does it mean na mmadụ ama lụzi legit bụrụ mmadụ so that part na-abụ na channel ya sị na ndị Ebonyi State na-ebugharị ahịa mbugharị na ha mere nke nke ọzọ I don't know ife ahịa mbugharị bụ ihe ọjọọ for me ọ bụrụ ihe ọjọọ nna m tara afụfụ mbugharị ma ahịa mbugharị eme magari build ọ asị ngosi anyị ụzọ anyị nwabụ ụmụ ya too anyị bugharị ahịa mbugharị based on na ma build bụrụ anyị that ọsụgoro anyị ụzọ ahụ anyị chọrọ. So that's how a lot of Ebonyi State name. Some of them they are down for so also for their children. Tomorrow. I'm not lose that kind of thing. Ebonyi State is one of the my last born they created in Nigeria. Ebonyi State was just created in 1990s. This is just 30 years. You know, just happened overnight. Happen of Oganya once. I people from somewhere. So allow them to hustle. And the way you know Ebonyi Igbo now for have found Ebonyi State in today. They are doing well. So today here Potasie. I'm afraid I'm going to put up now. So we don't have if that's in Ebonyi State. Buhari, I am Buhari. Did he talk here me? If Potasie and Ebonyi State outside. How are you better than Onyausa? You go to Onwe guys only. How are you better than Onyausa? Apota brotherly love. You think they Onyausa? Ebi na not. I was born and brought up na not. I'm can Onyausa si fi Fananya. Forget to be in the Fulani name. Fulani and Onyausa bro fife. You understand? Otu no na one with the way unu na-esi na apota unu look onye Ebonyi State less. Onye be some of ndị Ebonyi State pụtara na atụ azụ. Mana ọ bụrụ dị ka mmadụ because they send them. Epụta onye Ebonyi State be ofu onye Ebonyi State mee ihe ọjọọ na your state. Instead of nke which onye Ebonyi State ya create for copy. Epụta gị generalize ya na ndị Ebonyi State dị like that. Ha bịa ịchụ ụlọ ịma kwenye ụlọ for what reason? O mejọ gị. Mana ịga n'obodo Igbo unlike Philippines anyị nọ. A lot of people create to go back image for anyị nwabụ ndị Igbo which is ike ịchụ ụlọ ndị obodo asị na amanye anyị ụlọ. Mana ịpụta ya na-ewu iwe sị na ndị obodo na practice racist. Mana ịpụta na be nna gị na aba Igbo ị na-eme ya like that. Ọ na ofu onye Ebonyi State for create for copy ya. I have support for job. After that, generalize yes, one Ebonyi State needed like that. No, them will receive Ebonyi State. We want to joy. They have good people in Anambra. They have bad people in Anambra. All individual differences. After that, generalize yeah. Sometimes you put down an yes, they were the basic one deal. They were the basic one deal, which is so bad. When no one basic one deal, why never deal? We are one. Not trying to push that in. Nothing can basic one deal. Nothing can basic one deal. My father one like that. Who talk I profile? Proof. I can't do that. Talk I proof. Who do it? You want to take account. As only Abakaliki mbu, I'm very proud of it. When you go Abakaliki, all some of my brothers, I'm not when they are going Abakaliki, only you will you. If Abakaliki or beyond job, already for job, so they proud people Abakaliki. Man, you go to Kaibro from Tiwa, I broke. I can't do that. I broke. But now I'm going to Kabarumia. It's simple. I am going to one that one.
Let me tell you, nke wezoku left for me get divide Igbo, divide Abok and Anambra and none of their own. But you know the funny thing. Even within themselves, they hate themselves. Like there is something. Brother. I'm from Umuokufu, Umasonye, Umariam, Ubu. Right. So one when eto na Port Harcourt, Moji, my estate no to Vibe. Right. How go you way? I be ala the man over. One school Naps. Right. So Naps, one of my friends, one of my close friends, Naps, or an Anambra guy. But all the attitude that guy in the display, then which I didn't understand why. But all now those things that didn't make sense to me. So first of all, ndị Anambra bi Owerri Kanko. Ndị Anambra mege business, nwere boutique, erega akwa na Owerri Kanko. Ị ga ebe a na-akpọ Ikenebu na Owerri, ị ga-afụ ndị Anambra nwere different shop, na-ere akwa, na-ere jeans, na-ere shoe, na-ere palm, onwe onye nye ha nsogbu. Ị ga-ama self. Nobody even know. Elesekwa ma or your customer, gịnị ya embek of business emaga. O nwere many ụmụ Anambra na they are not school, ha nọ na Owerri Agbaga boy na boutique, some of them supermarkets. Only one place in Nazo something on my estate, I have a unique amanest. 2 boys none na that man, na shop that man about boy, woman number, only state when that place. We on your number, yeah, bro, 2 boys. Hand out their bill, I'm on free. Like when anybody bother, you don't even like from my environment. I've never classified Ndi Igbo by states. I don't even know the meaning of state. Majority of Ndi Igbo states don't know what you are talking about states. I don't know the difference. Let me tell you, some pages say on this social media. They promote to Imo State, for example, Urban Peaks. The guy went that Urban Peaks are in Imo State. That boy went out their state to nowhere. But that guy for one day, like he carry Imo State for head like his own state because someone man, nobody that ask you where you from. In fact, enjoy your guys on your mind again. So I guy from my Chineke, that matter don't die. That is the mentality of Ndimo, right? But I was shocked. Like it took me more than a year to understand that Ndi Igbo now classify Ndi Igbo by state. It took me a mental resetting to understand that kind of thing exists. Because me, I don't know what it once they get what I'm Igbo, I flow with you. I don't even remember you. So once you get Igbo name, that's all. But my encounter with Ndanambara, especially just Ndanambra, was when I understand that there is an error. First of all, let me even give you an example. This thing, anybody on this page now can try it. Type image this life. Ghana your TikTok. Type Ebonyi State. You could be, let's say, an Ebonyi State get post to someone Ebonyi State or like a post anything ambassador Ebonyi State. Go and look at the comments. Go and start reading the negative comments. Open the pages of the people typing that negative comments. Me, I do this thing. I do it on TikTok. I do it on Twitter. I do it on Instagram. Go and check the people make the negative comments. Open their page. Check their state of origin. Because there are many things in people posted their state of origin on TikTok here. They might say, people that which this. Just go and check. 90% of the time, the people that type of that negative comment are from Anambra. I'm not saying 100%. 90% of the time, type Imo State. Go and start reading comments of only the negative comments. Open the pages of the people that get the negative comments. 90% of the time, they are from Anambra. Why? I have never seen an Imo State person trying so hard to pin a stereotype on another Igbo person. I got for on Anambra game TikTok. Then at TikTok, now there are other people from other states for a job. And I can quote 10 pages on this TikTok now. Got 10 pages on this TikTok, Anambra. What those people do on that page is blackmailing people from other Igbo states. One other guy or Sophia. More Sophia. Type that guy's page, one Anambra, one Sophia. Open his page. 90% of that guy in the post is black. He does not even bother promoting his Anambra he's from. Rather, blackmailing people from other states, blackmailing people from they wonder why. Only this other girl at Anambra. Only this other girl at Anambra. Open her page. In here, that girl blackmailing people from other states. On Facebook, only this guy at something media. This guy get with a picture. Old picture from 10 years ago, post here on YouTube, on Facebook. There, look at Imo State, bad roads everywhere. This guy, if you talking about your DM, I will send you this guy. Even as of today, the guy still make that post. This guy will carry picture of 10 years ago. Say, look at Douglas Owe. Look at this one. I don't even chat the guy. I tell this guy, what made like this? What joy do you derive in just trying to blackmail Imo State? Like, how in your growth process did you become like this? What made you like this? Why you know if you just stop this thing? What is your satisfaction in trying to bring Imo State down? That guy cannot say. And this is what they don't even know why they are the way they are. And you know the funny thing, they hate themselves. Have you seen them blackmailing people from Anam here? See,
Kambaki also because I'm here in here. I'm not or my cannot go on Abakaliki because Abakaliki of brought down in Ebonyi State. If you take in a Onyuli, must I cry? Mebapa. Meanwhile, I'm a movie on that.
One advance cable.
Who advance? Yes, only advance is one mother. Because if money hala, yes, I'm not going hala. If money kita mazali, because I'm a good man. Okay,
One advance.
Last one. Even out there, I bring with them. Last one.
Because when you're gonna sort of the home, if I'm not Anambra State, if you do like it's a Gonzaga, I'm not making something wrong with this. That name, Abakaliki on our house. I'm not going to Japania. If you have an apple faggy, from Indibunasna, or your path 1 year and a half year. There's no problem. There's no problem. Keep the problem. Keep this one. Not for one nigga. Okay, finish. Every time I'm doing a be the one never. Meanwhile, the Abakaliki capacity of Ebonyi State. Here be a problem. Every time
Please allow me to finish. Allow me to finish.
Every time people have a click in a bamba, and you must have seen this thing. Or you go and be saying, Igebomogi. Or kiss no one didn't be saying, Bandre. Or you go and be saying, Igebomogi. And be so Bobo state accord, Bobo of full state code. Every time, after the time, you put a click, you want to get me at all. Yet, one of them, he hate the bad about this click.
But
I want to come up person.
but go with you. Countless of time, kind of the Ihiala. I want to leave the Ihiala. I want to leave Ihiala. I want to get a Ihiala. So have the Ihiala. But also that's a lot of the land. I'm stepping Ihiala. Or the land here. Why are you discriminating you? Okay, that Uli. I'm okay. You are discriminating them. Have the Ihiala.
I'm a fool.
Don't ask me. Okay, now because why is it? ọ na-abụ ngwacha gị na ha bụrụ ihe ala obi ebe a ka ma ya agwa gị na ndị a nọ under ihe ala local gọọmenti ọ bụrụ ihe m na-ekwu
But the protocol is denied them have the hand.
yes na quite alright ha bụrụ ihe ala ha nọ under ihe ala local gọọmenti and which is reality
But
yes now this thing na dị iche
only get discrimination not have the hand.
ihe abụrụ discrimination it's not discrimination
Okay.
no it's not discrimination biko o nwere ihe a na-akpọ local gọọmenti gogogo o nwere ya bụrụ ewetazi join ya na that local gọọmenti but na if you come home anyị a na-ekwuzi na ndị abụ ndị wili na ndị abụ ndị ọka na ndị abụ ndị ebe ndị abụ ndị ebe everywhere
To be frank, you are the least person I expect for you to put out on this issue because one, you have already a community. But you want only you want to only go. But you don't want only.
Why is it? Okay, why is it? Why is it? I'm not attacking you.
Why is it? My local government with that also. I can call you villages in that now under that local government. But other people of my local government, nothing can fight. They can fight. Go and browse it. What do you mean? When you say can you want to can fight? Ask them how come you can fight? How you say can you? Does it mean discriminate? You are the least person that should be talking here.
So now my brother, because when we have local government, when they're under so local government, upon harbor that place. In order, these people are under the local government. That is it. If I'm say no point here gogo, nanda abro here gogo, but I'm on the local government. Explain, let me go explain. Obviously na igazi, here crosses the alibo. Now you on a platform there, but say yes, now have on the here finish. So thank you.
Okay. G Baba.
You understand? So all these things we don't witness them. You before they go here, so you understand? I believe mother for the problem on intentions. You understand? I'm here for instance, and I'm about Abakaliki. Man, I'm Abakaliki, so I rep Abakaliki. What the form of knowledge? I'm not going to. So now I'm Abakaliki because I rep Abanka. Man about Abakaliki because once I'm in Abakaliki, you are Abakaliki, but I'm from Lebanon about Ubru in Hosra. All the from far from Abakaliki with me. Hosra is a local government on its own. You understand? So Anambra people. Without them from example, can you give example Aboki? If Aboki meaning my friend. You understand? Man, you just go Aboki. Opening in Abuja, if Aboki boy Aboki, sometimes they will get angry because I know my intention. I about Aboki. You understand? If some artists like Ice Prince, that you have who say Aboki is my friend, Aboki is this, make them know they think say Aboki means. But I know the intention I about the Aboki, I about as you, and he may you understand? So imagine now, Anambra, then we used to do music. We used to come show in Oga back in those days. So after the shows, and I'm very man, I say more okay, Ben, since I am number, because no cuisine and too bright to go Abakadiki. What the fuck? I said, you know, saying now, that's what I'm in fact, I'm not going Abakadiki, no matter what I'm na Madi Paco, Nasan now, Sabra, so Abakadiki, Sassi, Nice Abakadiki capital, and Yana Saban Central Bank, you will not expect me. You understand? It's already easy. I don't see in Abakadika, so easy with dialect, equal with their languages. So, you know, Abakadiki, you can sound nice as sound. So, imagine going to make a capacity in Abakadiki. So, at the first time, when Abakadiki, if intention of the okay, often giving she, when I'm Abakadiki, often 92 bright, easy from Abakadiki. So, they get this girl, I'm going to understand. Mama, then I say, yes, so, I say, no, brother, I understand. Say, why you go to Nancy Abakadiki? Then I'm brother, it happened after our shows. Back in, I think, 2017 or thereabouts. We made sure. I said, Abakadiki, they make hip hop. So, those things, if only say Abakadiki, or they deny because you don't want to face those. You understand? On the form of only on a Philippine, only on a Philippine now. Abasiki KBC. Because of you, on us, I found when you claim money is Ghana or you claim money is Cameroon. You understand? Because he might go the intention in there, and you put in Niger. These people they look like say, no, we feel you understand? So this Amara Choko in the or the other guys in the own them brand with narrative others in the mother. You understand? Which Imo State are buying to eat now. Understand? Even at this place in now. Filipino or Jedi Gam, what I say, in the Apacalica and I go to you. I'm not going to Apacalico, oh God, Jim Gabins. I was of him nice number one State in Sam Boston, Sanambra, and Tonoja. Some of the Sanambra will get in a car. I said, okay, I'm going to Nancy Antonio and Samba. And some were good, and some were good you change your weapons. I said, I'm only other than Guanam State. And some Bamboy Apacalic. I said, Nada, and you in Apacalic man, they find for Philippine. You understand? So, upon a brother, only got by you know, by you, then you like you are downgrading that person. Don't want to go to
Mana, you know the man I even 10 Navy. And we don't fight it, you know. My end of the day, I haven't 10 Navy, I even damage. Because 900 Navy is a government area. So, because of that, people say that I even 10 Navy, but we don't care. What matters the most is that I am from Amish, I'm not only Amish. Nevertheless, Mana, now, Imago, categorizing issues like this, my photo say, this is a plural, not singular. Now, so I'm going to say, JDB de Coca. anyị enwe Abakaliki street. Asụkwa bụ ndị Abakaliki asụ. Asụkwa bụ ndị Abakaliki asụ. But in the capital of Anambra State, we have Abakaliki street. Even when the governor was trying to change it, I know Anambra State no so you cannot change that name. If ya, by the end of the day, as na Anambra. It was even
Abakaliki street n'Ọnịcha, n'Obuko Ọnịcha.
So if so end of the day, you will label all in the Anambra, chief that out of 10 people, only one person Bunyojo. And if you say that all for Bunyojo, you see na abụ ndị dojo. If you na chief say na onye ha na-ekwu na Anambra, abaka na-esi ụlọ nke enwe bajo nwa. If you na so end of the day, what I'm saying is this. Mmadụ ịpụta sị ndị Anambra is a very wrong statement to make. Ajụọ na onye a na-ekwu na ka onye ahụ si kpọrọ ya nka ka village ozi. He could not tell. So categorizing people and say that they're evil. And ndị na-agbacha anyị ma ndị ọgwụ ego, ndị na-agbacha anyị ma ndị ya na ndị na-egbu ọgwụ ma ndị okpo ntụ enwe ya gbọbara anyị. End of the day will not apply. Mana anyị nchabacha insult, but we take it. Eji ebe anyị nwanne Evans, no problem. Anyị nwasị chụkwa ya Evans, jide chufe ya na Lagos. Yes, nwanne anyị kọrọ mana ndị oji. So we are proud. Mana what I'm saying is that end of the day, anyị gbakọtakwa anyị nchakwakwa ndị Igbo. My mom bụ onye
Stigma was ndị Abakaliki and ndị Nsukka. Understand me? They will stigmatize you as onye Abakaliki na Abakaliki people take form of ndị Hausa ndị Igbo. I was born and raised in Anambra. I'm gonna call it the majority of my friends when you had 190 Anambra because I don't know so. But in terms of this stigma of a thing, all the more of Anambra State, even Enugu, maybe Enugu State City or maybe other states, they don't care. In Boy Anambra or in Enugu, once you guys speak the same Igbo language. But in terms of that Anambra State, even Anambra, oh, when Katogala, you understand me? Meanwhile, if you check that if you scale them between the two parties, the two individuals, you find that Nonya on the level are they responsible in any factors? You get me? So this topic I mean is this topic is a sensitive one. And moreover, you understand me? Ebonyi biko na watch and which na obrukwa mu nga go sitere bennam because I am such debate someday. Na say na Enugu by na njikwa we si mo ya. See agwam village ono anwura mmas na magago maybe 90% of villages in Anambra State. There was some villages in Anambra State network na there atro there nwa bigger park moto jiri okukatopụ nke ga-agatopụ. But you ga onye Anambra apụta ọ na amok maybe onye izi ma onye Igbo. And meanwhile we onye ha mara do ebe se Ebonyi State o. Ojenuru Ebonyi State for once. And Ojenuru maybe that Nsukka side for once. But due to that childhood upbringing, that stigma label those particular people. They are this and they are that. You find that Nonya and so as water, all that kind of so the same stigma that stigma is in the Abakaliki or maybe Nsukka people. That is something at a level. I can remember I grew up. I learned something like if one MBC, you bruise a one MBC before you get boabo. You understand me? You find that na if Onyawa, Otonita, or Offers on MBC, or that's yeah, so Olo aka Nekungajinesu Onyawa. You understand? So I think now it is high time anyone boom na internet boom no so kaina so ofu Igbo ka hincha ofu tradition jikota internet no matter our differences na Igbo na no. So I think it's high time if you want to correct the Abiyaga correct from type of the omas in ka anyone na amu ka hincha we mata no ya Anambra na onye Enugu bụ nwanne na onye Imo State kwa na onye Anambra bụ nwanne because ina anya na ụfọdụ ndị Enugu adịghị like ijeje na onye Mbiso sị na ndị Imo State na-agba n'iro na ịlọtara na ala n'iro ọ bụrụ ihe nụrụ na ọgbọkwa ihe mere nke ọ bụrụ your experience nwa ife akọrọ ya akọrọ. I find that now, when some places, Oga Baby Anambra State, na actually saying Ebonyi State. I say, "Child, I'm not going to Ebonyi State." You understand me? No, my family, Okolo Munne, form of meeting eba.
Fana za fa eba. Can you example? Ida no canal. Obodo na no close to Oka. If I dika, amansi. Mafia. Benebe. So those places, I na say na family.
Manibo, sir. Manibo.
Don't unmute. When somebody's talking, please don't unmute. Let's watch.
If I na offer, ndi Oka. Now, more. Boy Anambra State. My town no close to Onitsha. I know Onitsha we common boundary. Mana ịbịa na-akpọ obodo nkịta. Ife a na-akpọ anyị ndị Onitsha. Even ndị bi na my town na-aza ndị Onitsha. Mana anyị abụrụ ndị Onitsha. And I want a problem with that. So, ọ bụrụ na address ya gị big city dị close to your town. Ọ ka banye. Mana ịlụzie ekebezie. Ọ bụsị na ajụzie gị kedụzi obodo isi ịkpọzie afọ obodo gị. Mana ife izizi na-ebuzi address bụ na ịbụ onye Onitsha. Onye si side Ọka sị na onye Ọka. Mana Ọka bụkwa town n'ụlọ onwe but because na Ọka bụ big city. Nke a dị. Now, abịa n'ife gbasalụ asị na ndị Anambra steeti na like iprecise ndị obodo ọzọ. Abakaliki ka nna anọ eji enye reference here. Biko anyị chi ịgwa nwaanyị eziokwu anyị agwa nwaanyị eziokwu. Enwere obodo na-enwere ndị ọzọ na-afụtafa etu ọzọ ma anyị chi ịgwa nwaanyị eziokwu. A lot of people na-ekwu ihe a n'ebe a kịta bụ fa na onye Anambra mekọ fa sị na ndị Anambra bụ ndị ọgwụ ego na ndị Anambra na-eji their parents agwa ọgwụ ego. Fa na-ekwu ya na ịgwazi afa nke fa o webefe iwe. Ịbịa na ndị Imo steeti ụfọdụ asị na ndị Imo steeti na-agba akwụna. Ife niile a na-ekwu ya bịa na asị gị na ndị Abakaliki na-eme eli. Ife niile anyị niile chi ịgwa nwaanyị eziokwu anyị agwa nwaanyị eziokwu mmadụ edisivụzi n'onwe ya ọ bụrụ hapụtasị nọsọ ndị Anambra na-eme ka ngwa na obodo ọbụla na-eme gbadie steeti ọbụla na-eme gbadie enwere etu esi adresị steeti ọbụla ma chi ịgwa nwaanyị eziokwu Anambra ọgwụ ego sometimes ịjụ afa ngwa kedu eji nke onye nke gị wee gwa ọgwụ ego onye anwe eya explain nwere yes amụ onye Anambra and the anụgolu m ebe anyị bụ ndị Anambra na-asị na ndị Abakaliki ụfọdụ agwago gị na ndị Abakaliki anyị ebikwu n'ụlọ fa now you ask your question you ask yourself this question ka reason ihe ji otu a ji ebelụ sometimes ọ bụ na na-atụ mmadụ aka na-ekwu one particular thing jee cheki ka enwe m ife a na-ekwu maka ọnya ma nwe eziokwu dị n'ife a na-ekwu anyị niile n'ebe a mana onye ọbụla nwesịrị karakta dị iche iche mana ụmụ ụdị karakta agwa mmadụ abụọ na-akpa anatụ onye aka anatụkata onye aka icheke nwa m ife a na-ekwu maka ọnya eziokwu ka asị so abịara m ebe a ịsị ịbịa kwụsịba na ụdị ife a na-adị ekwu ya yes a na-ekwu ụdị ife anwa mana steeti ọbụla na-ekwu gbadie ka anyị gwachi ịgwa nwaanyị eziokwu ka anyị gwa na nwaanyị eziokwu ịghọtago mụnwa mgbe ndị Ebonyi steeti bi na be anyị ife agwa fe eme na fa na-eme gbadie ndị fa isi fa fe eme na datin fa ya ebi and ife mbezie datin ikwubezie ya asị na ị na-akpọ ndị Abakaliki n'ụlọ ihe eti ofe onye Abakaliki n'ụlọ bife ịmali ife na-eme ndị Abakaliki ten ebigo n'ebe ahụ mesi everywhere up ikwuzie ya asị na akpali ndị Abakaliki the next thing ya afọ fa nụso gị ọgụ isizi na ịma nyefe ụlọ asị na ịdị wicked guy anyị niile n'ebe a nwa ife bụ eziokwu ma iche ịgwa nwaanyị eziokwu onye ọbụla eziokwu na environment mmadụ nọ wee to na-eche njikwa ọnya mana ọ bụ na-atụkata ife aka chike ife a na-atụ aka ka nwa na onwe eziokwu dị ya so ndị Anambra steeti anasị na fa bụ ndị ogwu ego mụnwa gụrụ ogwu ego adịkwesị ọnụ nwe nọ my family bụ ogwu ego mana ọnwa ya na ebe ahụ na-ekwesị na ndị Abakaliki ndị Anambra steeti gwara ndị ogwu ego mana nwere onye yuzugo ịmala asị gị prove ya ihe prove nwere so anyị chi chenji this mentality anyị chenji ya ọ bụrụ sọsọ ofu ndị ife na-ekwutọ steeti dị iche
Why are you people against that? You are gang up against Ghana. Who's the one gang that useless gang up? I don't know.
Calm down.
ọgbarụ enwe mgbe ọ na-abụ gị na ndị mmadụ kwugharị ọnụ asị gị onye mba mmiri gị na ndị mmadụ kwugharị ọnụ asị gị ndị amụnsu ama m na m abụọ na mmiri dịkwa na saịdị be anyị ọ tụọ advanteji o abụ m saịdị ndị river light side tụma advanteji ka ọ bụ karịa ngị nwa amụnsu amarọ m ihe na-aza amụnsu ịghọtago ụdị egwepụ m ịgwa m something like that ọ na-atụpụ m ajị n'alụ kedụzi ihe ọ bụ akpọ gị nwa Abakaliki ọ na-ewe gị iwe onye Ebonyi ọ na-ewe gị iwe enwere ka ihe unu na-eme mụ ọ bụrụ fetụtị nkwu na m enwere ike inye onye Ebonyi ụlọ m my best friend bụ onye Abakaliki nwekwara ezigbo ego mana m na-agwa to his face na m enwere ike inye onye Ebonyi ụlọ m rent a house ma obili ya because of what experiences omume ha so unu na-alụ kama unu ga-anọ ya na-aba mba chọchọchọ unu na-alụ ebe ụmụnna na ebe na menji na ụmụnna anụ gwa ndị bụ unu wanata n'aka n'ihe unu na-eme onwe ihe unu na-eme dị njọ gwa ndị bụ unu wanata n'aka enwere mgbe ụmụ obosi na-akpa ike rinne ndị obosi nata n'ụlọ a na-agwa ọmụbe ndị beba wanata n'aka na ndị otu ya ọ bụrụ pụta n'ịntanetị eche na ị ga-agwa pepụl stigmatize pepụl na a na-akpọ gị nwa Abakaliki a na-akpọ Dave Umahi bụ one of my best man Dave Umahi onye Abakaliki ka ọ bụ but I love the man ọ bụrụ na enwere onye Igbo ga-abụ prezident si ngwu m ga-atụnyere ya m ga-asọpọtụ ya m ga-etinye ego ma ọ bụrụ na ya na-etinye ego onye Abakaliki ka ọ bụ ọ bụrụ na mmadụ niile mana majority o nwerata ihe ahụ unu na-eme unu achọrọ ka mba na-arụ mana ọ na-abịa Lagos akpọ gị onye Igbo ịza ị na-agwa ha mba na ịba onye Anambra isiza na onye eza na onye Abakaliki dị iche na nke nwa dị iche eza bụ eza aba bụ aba enwere ihe na-eme dị njọ akpọ gị ewutewe gị wepụ aka na ya nwa onye Ọnịcha si nwa onye Ọnịcha ọ na-ewu ya iwe ịpụta Ọnịcha si nwa onye Ọnịcha ọ na-ewu ya iwe ụta ka ọ dị so many other places onye Nnewi nwa Nnewi ọ na-ewu ya iwe onye ọzọ bụla ọ na-ewu ya iwe ịgbagote na n'ike ndị n'ike dị proud ọ sị gị na ya bụ nwanne ike nwaana na ya bụ nwanne ike ọ na-ewu ya iwe probably ndị Abatu ịkpọ onye abụọ nwa aba ọ na-ewu ya iwe oge bụrụ onwe mgbe owe iwe den mana na nwere enweghị iwe so ịmara ya ahụ unu na-eme ọ ga-abụ ndị mmadụ na-akpụ
inferiority complex sometimes, which is very bad. You got somebody else. It's a very bossy. Yeah, who is somehow. It was Abakaliki. Yeah, talk. So sometimes if you no, inferiority complex because I don't know knowledge. By the knowledge, and I the so cover. So once you want the state. Like that, one when you state, one see that. One take it and the farmers when you say, I'm not talking. I'm not talking because I'm not now. When you open now, so once I think about experiences, but some Ebonyi state, which I would generalize them, but I can't generalize. I tell them deep. ine me ancha ndi Igbo mana ka ndị Ebonyi say take this thing sometimes I myself we are not person ndị Igbo war I don't know that platform even the man Hannes na you're not part of Biafra this one which is very very bad if everything when I go never see that Abakaliki what is can you go bring now ancha Imo State only Imo State as only Imo State only be say if I go for Imo State to give I know you emi te mmadụ kasị isi Imo State kasị ha na ndị Mbaise the home one was like you said no last week we good say that na when Imo State pass Imo State pass say era one ada je trom I dem wapam you onye Imo State no ndị gba no ndị mmadụ so you need now just banter like nwa na agbonya akọkwa na ndị kebafara ndị agbata obi anyị na-akọ ya ndị nwuchu ana na-enwe banta friendly banter it doesn't mean that na as even get go on to work which is not no and then inferiority complex and even I didn't want to get or something like that but that's why I want to keep they must to be inferiority complex yeah all that is the major problem and how the problem of the other platform like even the Obama even talk people others and drag the other Igbo people which is not good so
yeah na-ekweba ka make this thing in a way I need to water ebe mwa mmadụ nwa Abakaliki I'm in Anambra State.
Okay.
But I've had to do business with a lot of, like, 90% of my staff from Abakaliki. Right? I've worked with a lot of them, a very much good number of them, and still working with a lot of them till today. If I'm not Abakaliki, I put your job. Reasonable that Ibo Abakaliki, I work in Abakaliki, right? Which is who you are. Like every other name, Obodoni name, Ganaba. The light most people na phone one about in the Ebonyi State or Abakaliki. But how do you feel bad whenever I that name? Or because of the things they happen in Timegro before they attach to that name. The kind of things that happened before they attach to the Ebonyi State. I'm not generalizing it upon the Ebonyi Nebo Ajomad. Same way when Ajomad in every other part of Igbo land, which in Anambra and everywhere. Same way in Anambra and Dogwego. I've been to so many places. Anambra man, Dogwego na. Anambra and Dogwego. Whatever I have to do. I work for it, but that doesn't make me Onyogwego. If you're calling me Onyogwego when I'm not Onyogwego, I'll go on my time. So when you have your name, which you should accept. Same thing. It has always been like that. And the truth of this thing, but at the end of the day, okay, for most, I will have to tell this. It may sound like not days. Most time, email which we have towards the end, at the end of and I are one of the most loyal people you work with. On the other end, the business of maybe business can do business with such a person most time or not all. Towards the end of that, we can or something like yes or contract because I'm a builder. At the end of the job, all I go back. At the end, you know that in me. I'm not in violence. If only because I'm some parts of water. A high population of Abakaliki in Igbo and Anambra State. If you have lived within them, even here in Eme, Omogi. In how many kuna remember that things they do, they will make and I meeting now, meeting them. They always believe that no when you're not and that is so much against them. That they have even they make plans behind my back. I've been to work, I bought a new bike then. No longer I got to Ebonyi State. Guy go tell me here, it was around 110,000. That should be either 2017 was a whole big deal. Went to the house, we have that work as packed the clothes of all the people. When you go and say about like Haja Lolo na office. You need now pack the clothes, the phones, money your phone, call chargers are then. And left with same thing has happened with men. There was one I was living with in my own house. The day he left, but I like this somebody. I like I'm the guy. I was living in my own personal space with him. The day he left, just coaching everything he could take for the day. I ran to work. So he took some of my personal things that said, "Man, I shouldn't go." I tracked him down. No, I was asking, hey, "What is your problem?" And we don't make him back. Why is he like this? So when I want to go back again, the one never but the guy don't care, all that sort of stuff. Even workers behind my back, meeting, wait a room. And when they do that, they exclude whoever that's not from my State because they're not the only people working for me. The only thing I have a high number of them that I work with. And I did very hard working, And I did if I have the most working in the way once you pay them well, I'm about the most hard working. But they will do these things and this kind of things are not violence. Let me see, come to side. If mad, maybe no, because of a little thing. Was way and at the end of the day, it will be them. I'm not stereotyping here. At the end of the day, why abo? I don't know the kind of obias anger and then when I'm not anger at the cost because of the long time stigma of Abakaliki. And they keep happening. A lot of people say it. No, right? Man, I can't be a run again. In a Diego, a weekly cost of one back home, a woman with a motor can keep my bike. I'm also not bad. They say, no, you. And he meant it.
because even the part of his place, is easily accessible even to the police. So when these things happen, and then okay, let me see now. Even where my workers, you employ 4 people, give them a place to stay. Before 6 months, it'll go 12. New face by the day, new face by the day, new face unaccounted for. As in the last money at the time self, it's always done issue for you. And I've known people here, they just come here, do commit your fee, and they leave, and you can't trace them because most of them are there went at that they call it formal address. So I think that what the Ebonyi State in because I have a number of Ebonyi State people here should do is to educate their brother. Mother, they may know you, right? We have run us on my mother, which was later Jonathan. No. Then on the part of our self-open Anambra and other parts of Igbo, like India, I have tried marrying before. Even my own family, I have to tell you this. For me, I've dated 2 people from Igbo that I like so much. We are so much against it. About a year or about. And when you talk about it, most time I never get stances why it's like that. Same thing when they talk about Anambra and the Owo and other things concerning money. It may not be Ogo, it may be Ogo and other things people do. And when interest and such thing. As I talk to you, I don't go to church, I don't go to traditionalists, I don't Magadibia, I don't have anything. I'm just based on humanity. And when many religion, if you go through my page, you see no religion, I have no religion. So they were so much against Imo said that I started asking, what could this be? And when they give instances of people that are from Imo, that are married to some other part of Anambra State, or people that you may even know, if that, he have an atom of that thing, and I